easy it is to use a MoneyPak to reload your prepaid card. It'll just take a minute. MoneyPak is conveniently available at your local retailer. Simply pick up a MoneyPak and take it to the register. The cashier will load your cash to the MoneyPak and collect the service fee. Now you're ready to reload your prepaid card. You can reload your prepaid card online or over the phone 24/7. Just have your prepaid card number and your MoneyPak number ready. Once your reload is completed, your money is immediately available for you to start making purchases. Now MoneyPak has a new look but works the same way as the original. You can use the MoneyPak number on either MoneyPak to reload your prepaid debit card.